My thoughts on Black Cat is good. I liked it. Train Harton is known as the Black Cat for his quick reflexes to attack, and his title as number 13 as member of the secret society Kronos. He is an unbreakable master gunman, a cold and unfleeting killer until he meets Sarah Butcher's name Sanana, a bounty hunter or sweeper. She teaches him the value of a human life and that one should not live in order to repeat one's mistakes rather than die because of them. Through her, Train learns to love and care for other people as he too becomes a sweeper and travels with his partner, Sergeant Bertrandus, named Savan, and the mysterious girl Eve. This has been my thoughts on Black Cat. If you want to be notified about when my videos come out, click the bell icon so you never miss a video. And if you haven't already yet, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.